Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Kajing buon kijing mot jing perkhat ba kajing shem jing e ha kajing em jong u ne kabriu kapalong ye ki bakin nang khlan ha ka bor perkhan bakin nang la su bakin nong ki briu ki ba shem phang ba ha ka ba de ba kani ngila ban yu inuk saling ba ka we ka samla ya ka bala tip kerteng kum ka samla Phidaribha Warjri ka bala tho ya ka we ka kwat ka bala ai kerteng ka her testimony ka ba de ka kwat shphang ka jing long jing em jong ka te ka samla bat ki jing mat jong ka ha ka jing em ki bala penong ya ka bakan nyok men sim rei ki don ru pat ki jing tho ki ba kala shumut dor ling ba ki ki ba kala yu I ne mat ba de ling ba ka jing ai jong blei bat ka jing don ring kat ka jong u bakala la ban pen mi ya ka ni ka kon ya ka te ka kot lapalat pat ba man ta sngi daw Dr. Eddie Mukhem ka jing dwai no Dr. BPS toy ka jing roi na ka samla lomaya sim bat ki we ka te ka samla kala ong ba ka jing bon ki jing mot jing par khat ha ka jing em jong ki brieu kala long ka ka ba ken rai bha bat kala ai men sim ru ye ki brieu ba kim dei ban shap tieng ban ya thu ki jing bat ki jing shem jen jar jong ki khrang ba kin yo ya ka jing ram ki ba de ban yo ya ka te ka kon la ban yo dak ba thiet na Notion Press pana Amazon la ni na Flipkart.
Testimony is a book based on inspired by true events. It is based on my life story. They are not entirely the truth. They inspired by true events, but there's some fiction in it as well. They are inspiration and ka jingthmu ka banga wa ka deba ki brio kinum stigmatized ka mental illness namar mostly in today's society in today's society as well as in so many, how do I put this into words, like for so long now mental illness has been a taboo. So to break that taboo, to break that stigma, I've come out as a person with depression, and I want people to not be scared to come out, to speak out, and to seek help, because it's not an embarrassment, it's not shameful. Thank you. Well, ki jing ja ha ki jing em janga ki bangai kin do namar ketangan support thoi kin ka and moreover ka jing ai jo oble mo ko meki ka jing danan ka jo oble but not throughout my experience ka belong yang ban focus ban belong soul focus jong ni ka book shaka jo oble ba lada fidan oble lada fi seek help from God. Like, you'll always be okay in the end. If it's not okay, it's not the end. Thank you. Fill up when you're on a Notion Press, which is the publishing company. But if that takes too long, then you can get it on Amazon or Flipkart as well. Okay. Like if you experience sadness and if it goes on for a long period of time, and that could be depression, so you should seek help as soon as possible. First of all, you could seek help from a counselor or a psychologist, and if the counselor or psychologist advises you to seek help from a psychiatrist, then you should do that as well. You shouldn't be shameful, you should speak up, you should come out, and because it's treatable, and you should give it your all to become cured again, because it's treatable, as I said. And throughout this event as well, doctor has mentioned that it's treatable, so I'm here today as well because it's treatable. So that's my message to everybody who's going through depression or any kind of mental illness for that matter. Well, please buy the book, and I hope that it'll be an inspiration to you all. Thank you.